Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into a brand new topic on cybersecurity. Stay tuned till the end to boost your knowledge, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights. Are cybersecurity myths costing you money? We've all come across advice that sounds convincing but is completely misleading. Believing these myths can cost you big time. Recovering from a data breach or identity theft can be astronomical. Today I'm debunking common cybersecurity myths to save you cash. Let's bust some myths and protect your wallet. Let's debunk the myth that only big players need to worry about cyber attacks. This misconception can lead to disastrous consequences. Many think, I'm just a small business or individual, hackers won't target me. They believe their size makes them insignificant. This belief is common but dangerously wrong. In reality, smaller entities are often seen as low-hanging fruit by cybercriminals. Small businesses and individuals are frequently targeted because of weaker security. They often lack the resources to implement robust defenses. Hackers find smaller entities easier to breach. They exploit vulnerabilities that larger organizations have the means to protect against. They might not get millions, but they can still get enough to make it worthwhile. Small frequent attacks can add up to significant gains for cybercriminals. Your compromised system can be a stepping stone for larger attacks. Hackers can use your system to launch attacks on bigger targets. Even small businesses hold valuable data like customer information and payment details. This data is a goldmine for cybercriminals. For individuals, it's your banking credentials, social media accounts, and personal documents. These can be used for identity theft and fraud. All this information has value on the dark web. Stolen data is often sold to the highest bidder. The financial impact of a breach can be devastating. Recovery costs can cripple a small business. Small businesses can face regulatory fines, legal fees, and reputational damage. The fallout can be long-lasting and severe. Many small businesses go out of business after a significant cyber attack. The costs and loss of trust can be too much to bear. Individuals face costs like recovering stolen identities and disputing fraudulent charges. The emotional toll can also be significant. The idea that hackers only go after big targets is dangerously misleading. Cybercriminals are opportunistic and will exploit any weakness. Cybercriminals cast a wide net, looking for weak defenses. They use automated tools to scan for vulnerabilities across the internet. Cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility, regardless of size. Implementing basic security measures can make a big difference. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or an individual, you are a target. Recognizing this is the first step in protecting yourself. Accepting this reality equips you to protect yourself and your wallet. Simple steps can significantly reduce your risk. Hackers are opportunistic, targeting anyone with weak defenses. They don't discriminate based on size. Investing in basic cybersecurity is a necessity for everyone. Tools like antivirus software and firewalls are essential. Don't let a false sense of obscurity be your downfall. Awareness and proactive measures are key. Your smallness doesn't make you invisible, it can make you more attractive to hackers. They see you as an easy target. Protect yourself with basic cybersecurity hygiene. Regular updates, strong passwords, and awareness can go a long way. Moving on to myth number 2, the belief that antivirus software alone keeps you safe. Many people think that once they have antivirus software installed, they are invincible to all cyber threats. Antivirus is crucial but not a magic shield. It acts as a barrier, but it's not impenetrable. It detects and removes known malware but primarily fights yesterday's battles. New threats emerge daily and antivirus software may not recognize them immediately. Zero-day exploits and social engineering attacks can bypass antivirus. These sophisticated attacks exploit unknown vulnerabilities, making them particularly dangerous. Phishing attacks trick you into giving up your credentials. They often appear as legitimate emails or messages, luring you into a false sense of security. Antivirus can't stop you from entering your password on a fake login page. It's up to you to recognize these threats and act cautiously. Malware can use legitimate system tools to evade detection. This makes it harder for antivirus software to identify and stop these threats. Relying solely on antivirus is like wearing a bulletproof vest but leaving your head exposed. You need comprehensive protection to cover all vulnerabilities. You need a layered security approach. This means combining multiple defenses to create a robust security posture. Combine antivirus with a firewall, software updates, strong passwords, and multi-factor authentication. Each layer adds an extra level of security. Regular security awareness training is vital. Educating yourself and your team about the latest threats can prevent many attacks. Learn to spot phishing attempts and practice safe browsing habits. Being vigilant online can save you from many potential threats. Believing antivirus is a silver bullet can make you complacent. Overconfidence can lead to negligence, increasing your risk of a breach. The financial fallout from a breach can be severe. Recovering from an attack can be costly and time-consuming. Data loss, identity theft, and financial theft are real risks. These consequences can have long-lasting impacts on your personal and professional life. Antivirus is one piece of a larger puzzle. It plays a role, but it's not the entire solution. Think of it as one knight on your chessboard, not the entire army. You need a full set of pieces to defend against all types of attacks. A comprehensive strategy addresses modern cyber threats. This includes staying updated on the latest security practices and tools. Protect yourself with a holistic approach. Integrate various security measures to create a strong defense. Don't let antivirus be your only defense. Relying on a single layer of security is risky. Combine it with other smart practices and security tools. This multifaceted approach will help you stay ahead of cyber threats. True digital security requires multiple layers of protection. Stay vigilant and proactive in your approach to cybersecurity. Protect your wallet with a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy. Investing in a robust security plan can save you from significant losses in the long run. Myth number 3. Believing complex passwords are your only defense. While it's true that having a strong, unique password is a crucial step in protecting your online accounts, it's far from being the only measure you should rely on. Strong, unique passwords are important but not invincible. They can be a significant barrier to unauthorized access, but they are not foolproof. Hackers have many ways to get your credentials. They use sophisticated techniques and tools to crack even the most complex passwords. Phishing attacks trick you into giving up your password. These deceptive tactics can make you believe you're entering your credentials on a legitimate site when in fact, you're handing them over to cybercriminals. Data breaches at third-party services can expose your passwords. Even if your password is strong, it can be compromised if the service you use is hacked. Malware like keyloggers can capture your keystrokes. This means that even the strongest password can be stolen if your device is infected. Password managers are great but need strong master passwords. They help you generate and store complex passwords, but the master password must be robust and secure. Security is about layers, not just strong passwords. Think of it as building a fortress with multiple walls and defenses. Be vigilant about where you enter your password. Always ensure the site is secure and legitimate before entering your credentials. Use secure, encrypted websites and avoid public Wi-Fi without a VPN. Public networks can be a hotbed for cybercriminals looking to intercept your data. The financial implications of relying solely on password strength can be significant. A compromised account can lead to financial loss and other serious consequences. Compromised accounts can lead to financial theft and identity theft. The repercussions can be long-lasting and difficult to resolve. The cost isn't just direct loss, it's the time and effort to secure your accounts. Recovering from a breach can be a lengthy and stressful process. Use strong, unique passwords for every account. This minimizes the risk of multiple accounts being compromised if one password is exposed. Enable multi-factor authentication wherever possible. This adds an extra layer of security, making it harder for attackers to gain access. Be vigilant against phishing and keep your software updated. Practice safe online habits to protect yourself from various threats. Complex passwords are a vital shield but not an impenetrable fortress. They are an essential part of your security strategy but should be complemented with other measures. They are part of a team of defenses. Think of them as one player in a larger security team. True digital security requires a holistic approach. This means combining various tools and practices to create a robust defense. Protect your digital self with multiple layers of security. Each layer adds an additional barrier against potential threats. Don't let your password be a hero standing alone. It needs support from other security measures. Give it the backup it needs. Combine strong passwords with other security practices for the best protection. Stay secure with a comprehensive strategy. By integrating multiple layers of security, you can better protect your digital life. Myth number 4. Thinking cybersecurity is only for tech experts. Cybersecurity involves awareness, common sense, and good habits. Many successful attacks exploit human psychology, not technical flaws. Phishing and social engineering target people, not machines. Vigilance and smart choices are key. Be cautious about emails and links. Use secure Wi-Fi networks and VPNs on public Wi-Fi. Regularly update your software to patch vulnerabilities. Physical security matters too. Neglecting basic practices can lead to breaches. Simple, user-friendly security solutions exist. Cybersecurity is a shared responsibility. Your actions as an end user are crucial. No amount of technology can protect you if you click on malicious links. Foster a culture of security. Education and awareness are key. Make safer choices online. Cybersecurity isn't just for experts. Everyone has a role in staying secure. Protect your data and finances with vigilance and good habits. Myth number 5. Thinking you have nothing to lose. Everyone has something to lose in a cybersecurity breach. Personal data like your name, address, and social security number is valuable. Hackers can use it for identity theft. Online accounts can unlock access to sensitive information. Ransomware can encrypt your files, demanding payment for access. Compromised devices can be used for malicious activities. Your digital footprint and reputation are valuable. The financial cost of complacency can be significant. Fees for credit monitoring, replacing hardware, and legal fees add up. Stress and anxiety from dealing with a cyber attack impact your life. Everyone has digital assets worth protecting. Cybersecurity is about protecting your digital self. Dismissing its importance is like leaving your car unlocked. Even if you think you have little to lose, the indirect costs can be substantial. Protect your data, identity, and access to online services. Cybersecurity is for everyone, not just the wealthy or powerful. Stay vigilant and proactive. Protect your digital and financial well-being. Don't let complacency be your downfall. Everyone has something worth protecting. Invest in basic security measures. Stay secure and protect your assets. Stay smart, stay safe, save your sanity and cash. We've busted 5 massive cybersecurity myths. Knowledge is power and protects your bank account. Move past these myths for a safer online experience. Share your experiences in the comments and check out my next video for online safety tips. Thanks for watching, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one.